Hi, I'm Doug Boyd, Director of the Louie B. Nunn Center for Oral History at the University of Kentucky Libraries. We're talking about portable field recorders. Today we're going to talk about the Marantz PMD 671. The 671 is Marantz's top-of-the-line professional-level field recorder. Records to compact flash, records up to 24-bit 96 kilohertz, and has a ton of features like a limiter as well as Xlr inputs. It's an upgrade from the 670, only with much better preamps. So let's take a closer look at the Marantz PMD 671. The PMD 671 conforms to the Marantz tradition of being easy to use with intuitive controls. The 671 is a versatile machine with professional level options, and following initial setup is quite easy to use. There's a panel cover on the top of the 671 which covers some of the more advanced controls. This can be removed, then access is enabled to the limiter, the mic attenuator, the monitor and audio out controls, among others. The 671 writes to compact flash cards inserted in the left side of the unit. Also on the left side is the USB port, the DC in, and the digital inputs. On the right side of the 671 are the line inputs and outputs, the phantom power switch, and Xlr inputs with professional level preamps. There are also jacks on the right side for line outputs and a remote control. Either AC power or batteries can power the 671, 4 to 6 hours with 8 standard AA batteries or rechargeable batteries, which are recharged by the AC power. The Xlr microphone cable fits into the Xlr input on the right side of the 671. Gently push the metal tab in to pull the Xlr cable out. To turn on, flip the power switch on the top of the 671. The unit will fire up, displaying the recording time remaining, input source, and a level meter. To change the inputs on the 671, press the input button on the top. Options include internal mic, line in, digital input, and mic in through the Xlr, in mono or stereo. Presets are already programmed into the 671. To adjust these presets, hold down on the Menu Store button until the preset menu begins flashing. Then use the forward and reverse buttons to navigate across the menu to see the other options available. This is where you can adjust the recording format. Use the controls to change from mono to stereo, to change the sample rate from 44.1 to 96 kHz, or the bit depth from 16 to 24 bit, or to record in multiple MP3 bit rates, which are not recommended from an archival perspective. To record, simply flip the recording switch when the recorder is not in menu mode. This will immediately begin recording, with the meters showing input levels and the timer counting off. If you want to create a track mark in the recording, simply flip the recording switch again. Press stop to end the recording and stop again to return to the main menu. Deleting unwanted tracks is simple. Hold down on the Edit Mark button for 2 seconds, then press the button again until Track Erase is flashing, then enter to delete the track itself. Or press the button again to select Format and delete the entire card. Recording with the 671 is easy. Simply hit the red tab and adjust the levels with the level dial. In order to transfer your recording to the computer, connect the 671 with a USB cable. With the recorder turned off, press and hold the USB button. Turn the power on, the 671 then becomes an external drive on your computer. Simply drag and drop the file to the location that you desire on your hard drive. You can also achieve the same result by using an external card reader, usually costing about $30. This is the method that I prefer. It takes a lot of initial setup, but once you're done, It's as easy as it gets to record with the Marantz PMD 671, and the resulting recording is excellent. The PMD 671 offers simple recording, professional-level recording quality, versatile settings, a limiter, menu that's easy to navigate, good support documentation, and a removable battery. Although initial setup can be a challenge and battery life could be better, the 671 still offers high-end, professional-level recording and ease of use. Recorders are getting cheaper and smaller, but the 671 is still an excellent choice.